My name is Mark Quinn. I've worked for Downer for 13 years now. I've had different roles within Downer, but currently project controls lead for our Santos upstream services project, delivering well pads. In my role, I work very closely with the client and with our fellows out on site. We do it for our customer, Santos. We try to deliver our project very successfully. I'll work with them to, number one, get information off them as to where we need to be on a day-to-day basis. But then I'll feed that back to them as well as to where we will be. We know our work very well. We deliver a quality product. So we work with the client to know what they need to be delivered. Time and time again, we have proven ourselves, and continually we need to prove ourselves. So exceeding expectations outside of work, yeah, you can take that same approach. Just recently I've joined up with Surf Lifesavers, done my bronze medallion. I did my first patrol on the weekend actually. My son Harrison, he's 8 years old, and he really wanted me to do it, and that was enough for me to say, yep, well, I'll do it, make the commitment. I'll now do patrols on a roster. They need the numbers, they need people to put their hand up and be available. If we can do it for our customer, that will transpose into a successful job. Off the back of a successful job, there will be more work come off the back of it. So if we do it for our customer, we'll be able to finish the job strongly, deliver a good outcome, and to have success.